Hi Andrew, how you going?
Good, how are you, mate?
Good mate, I'm just about to turn into Malcolm Court.
Oh, beautiful. All right, well, we'll see you shortly. Just back it in.
No worries at all.
All right, see ya. Bye.
Thank you, mate.
Well, guys, the canopy's here. So we've been waiting a little while for this one. It's finally come. Let's get it out in the forklift and let's unload it off the truck. Beautiful. Can't wait. See it.
Looks pretty good.
That's good. I'm so excited. Been a long time coming. Thanks a lot for the package, mate.
No problem at all, anytime.
No worries, we'll see you next time. Thanks. Let's get this into the workshop, unwrapped, and have a look what's inside it. Can't wait. Well, we've got a new package in the workshop. Let's have a look at it. The guys at Offroad Creative shared me a little sneak peek of this thing as they were packing it up, but that's all I've seen. So I'm really keen to get into it. Let's have a look. Now this is a work of art. The boys at Offroad Creative, well, if you're looking for a touring package, this is a package with all of it, ready to go. Starting on this side of the truck, obviously we've got an 8-gang switch panel up here, our Simmarine, which will monitor our solar input, 12 volt input, 240 volt input, etc. So we can see everything that's going on in our battery system. It is a Victron system, which we're actually really happy to use with these guys. 240 outlets all around the canopy, and we've also got 12 volt as well. So Bushman, 130 litre fridge, should keep the beers cold. So lots of pantry storage for putting bits and pieces in. There's lots there. Coffee machine, early morning coffees. So there's another 240 outlet tucked away in there, and obviously making things easy. Keep the missus busy with this one. So nice big workspace, induction cooktop, a sink. The base on everything, including inside the drawers, is all done with C-deck, so it's nicely lined, no harsh angles or anything like that. Absolutely beautiful. Everything is pretty much one-handed. If you go in the tray itself, this is a one-piece canopy tray, so it's not a lift-off or anything like that. We've got 2 big storage boxes on this side coming around the back. Obviously we've got a jerry can holder right there, LED tail lights. Everything is already pre-wired for cameras and all that sort of stuff. So we've got a trundle drawer in here. So everything has central locking. All our Anderson plugs are all plugged. That's a solar input there. That'll go through our caravan plug. We've got a wash down pump so we can wash the kids off. Tinted tail lights, everything inlets and outlets in 240. So everything has been thought of meticulously for the ultimate tourer, basically. So ladder to get it back up on the roof. We've got a big bin box if we wanted a bin box up here. Boat loader up on the roof with a carbon winch. So around this side, more storage, chair spot, boat motor spot, everything has a position so it's not rattling around and flopping around everywhere. So big storage up here, more Victron stuff in through here. So we've got full access and we can see exactly what everything is, fuses, as far as circuit breakers, all that sort of stuff. So this isn't something that Offroad Creative offer, but they've done it specially for us. So fridge, another fridge, freezer, if I want to put the bait in there or anything like that. So anything dedicated fridge, freezer, it's a little bit bigger. So more storage boxes underneath, another table, dimmable lights, more 240. Well, water, inlet. Well, how do you go wrong? Everything is there, ready to go. Put it on the back of the car. And yeah, I can't wait to see it on the back. Well, this is the first of our Offroad Creative packages that we're going to offer. Obviously, they've got multiple different configurations to suit your needs. If you are interested in anything like this for your American truck or 79 series, well, get in touch with us, sales@ontrack4x4.com, and let's see what we can put together for you and make your rig yours.